guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing my Walmart beauty box, but I believe this is a Walmart Halloween box or something like that. It's a special box for October, and it came wrapped in plastic, so let's take it off. Okay, so let's unbox this. I'm excited to see what's in here. Ta-da! Ooh, this looks pretty. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm going to begin with this. What is this? Innovation Invisible Bobble. The Traceless Hair Clip. Oh, that's cool. So it's like invisible hair clips. So I'm really excited about these. I've never seen these before. Oh, these are interesting. So this is what they look like. They do look like bobby pins, but they are like plastic. Hopefully you guys can see that. They're really pretty, and it has like shimmers or glitters, whatever you want to call them. And these are made in Germany. So I can't wait to try them out and see if they work on me, because usually when I put stuff like this, it just like slips off. So we will see if these actually hold. Okay, now the next product, it is this right here, and it looks like it's like an eyeliner or something. And this one is by Lottie London, and this is a stamp liner. It is wrapped, so I am going to remove the plastic. Okay, I'm sorry if the angle's different. My memory got full, so I had to get my other SD card. Okay, so anyways, I was showing you guys this Lottie stamp liner. I already took off the plastic, and I think it has two ends. Okay, so this is what one side looks like. And here, let me swatch it on this hand. Okay, nice. Cool. Let me try out the other side. And it does have a star. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me stamp it. Oh, look at that, you guys. It's like a perfect star. How beautiful is that? And it's like black. It's not gray or anything. Wow. Okay, I'm really excited for this eyeliner. This is nice. Nice. Okay, so this is my favorite thing out of the box so far. Now the next thing right here, it is this Milani Make It Last Matte Finish Charcoal Setting Spray. Okay, so this is pretty nice. It's a little setting spray, and I do like that it says matte finish, because as you guys can see, my face is super oily. So I'm just gonna open it. Let me shake it and spray it on my face. Here we go. It doesn't smell, I mean, it has a smell, but I don't know what it is. Like, it's not bad. It's not that strong. I don't know. I still kind of feel shiny. We will see if I get oilier throughout the video. Okay, let's proceed to the next product. So the next product, it is this right here. It is a Revlon Colorstay Satin ink. So I'm excited. I like that it's wrapped like in a candy wrap. They should have sent candy or something. Okay, so, oh, this is pretty. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. And this is in the shade My Own Boss. So I'm gonna swatch it. Kind of smells like strawberries. Cool. I like the applicator. It's nice and pointy. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that, you guys. It's a beautiful red shade, and I love red lippies, so I can't wait to try this out. And it smells really good. It kind of smells like strawberries or something. I don't know. It smells kind of fruity. I think that's fruit, or is it like apple pie? I don't know. Anyways, I like the smell of it, and yeah, I'm excited to try this out, and I really like the packaging. And I don't think I've ever seen their lippies, or at least not this packaging. I don't know. I don't remember. Third product that I'm really happy with. Okay, now the next product, it is this Halloween 2021 Foreshadow Palette. Look at that, you guys. It's so cute. It's a little coffin. And this one is by Profusion Cosmetics. If you got it, haunted with this multi-dimensional 4-shade palette. The richly pigmented and blendable array of spooktacular hues are perfect for creating day-to-night looks. Universally flattering and perfect for everyone from beginners to pros. So let's open it up. Okay, this is super cute. Look at that, you guys. It does come with a little mirror. Here are the 4 shades. It comes with 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. Looks really pretty. I'm going to swatch it and show you guys. I'm going to swatch it on my arm right here. So, oh, they feel really nice. And there is no kick-up. Nice. Look how pigmented these are, you guys. Nice. Okay, so I'm really happy with this cute little palette, and it's nice and small for travel. This is perfect for Halloween, and if you travel during Halloween. I really like it, so I'm excited for this. I will be putting this in my Halloween palette bingo roulette. Super adorable, and I'm really happy with this. Okay, now, is this the last product? Okay, it is the last product, and this is by Wet n Wild, and this is a gem face mask. Look at this, very beautiful. I really like the gemstones, or are they called gemstones? Yeah, I guess they are. They're super beautiful. I love the moon, the stars. I'm not sure if I will use this. I don't know, I'll just give it a try. Maybe I will do a video when I try this out so you guys could see. But anyways, that's that, and that is everything that I got for this Halloween box. I did get this card right here. It says, "Hey there, beautiful." It says, "Prepare to turn heads with our lineup of wickedly glam Halloween beauty." And it just tells me the products that they sent me and all of that. Okay, so this retails for $3.98. These retail for $7. I'm not sure if this is a full size or if this is just like a little sample. It doesn't really say on the card. And then this Milani Make It Last setting spray retails for $8.97. The 2.0 ounces, and this is 1.18 fluid ounces. And then this liner retails for $5.98, and this is by Lottie London, if I didn't say so. And then this Revlon Colorstay Satin ink retails for $10.99. And this cute adorable palette by Profusion retails for $4.99. So yeah, anyways, I feel like this was a pretty good box. I really like everything that came in here. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got this box and what do you guys think of it. Did you guys like this box, or did you guys expect more? So about this setting spray, I'm looking at my face right now and it looks oily. I feel like it looks oilier. Maybe it's because I'm just sitting in front of all these lights and it's kind of warm in here. We will see. I will try this out later again, maybe tomorrow in the morning when I apply my makeup, and see if it works better. This is supposed to be a 16-hour wear setting spray. But anyways, I'm so really happy that I get to try this out and everything in here. I'm really happy with everything. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.